In Inner Mongolia, Beijing has banned the use of Mongolian language in schools as well as public and social life. Thanks to this policy of cultural and linguistic erasure, about 30% of Mongolians in PRC can no longer speak their mother tongue. In Tibet, including TAR plus Khmer Namdo, Beijing is using the classic colonial tool of residential schooling to strip children of their language, culture, and identity. The government has placed 3 out of every 4 Tibetan students in colonial boarding schools where 800 to 900,000 Tibetan kids aged 6 to 18.
The distinguished representative of China, you asked for the floor. You have the floor, please.
Madam Chair, this speaker has mentioned the boarding school in Tibet in China as a colonialism tool. This is a blatant tarnish of China, and this is a great damage to the image of China. This is a severe intervention into the sovereignty and territory of China, and this is a serious violation of the UN Charter. China requests one more time to stop the statement of the speaker.
Any other comments? Based on what we just heard, and in light of the rules and procedures, I call upon the panelists and the participants as well to respect UN core values and principles and uphold UN standards when referring to countries and territories. And please do refrain from any language in contradiction with this. With that, I give you back the floor.
Thank you, Chairperson. 3 out of every 4 Tibetan students in colonial boarding schools, 800 to 900,000 Tibetan kids aged 6 to 18 are methodically being turned into Chinese. If this is news to you, I invite you to look up a report titled Separated from Their Families, Hidden from the World, China's Vast System of Colonial Boarding Schools Inside Tibet. Sometimes states attack minorities because they view multiculturalism as a problem. But here's the thing about multiculturalism. If your society is multicultural because of immigration, you are actually lucky, because immigrants contribute so much to society and demand